After 65, leg strength doesn't disappear overnight. It leaves quietly. One day you need your hands to stand up. Another day stairs feel heavier than they used to. Most men think this is aging. It's not. It's muscle shut down, and once it starts, walking alone won't stop it. This is how independence slips away without warning. You stop trusting your legs in public. You hesitate before stepping off a curb. Not because you're weak, but because the muscles designed to protect you are no longer being used correctly. And no one tells you this part. Walking keeps you moving. But after 65, movement is not the problem. Control is. Walking trains endurance. It does not train the muscles that stop falls, stabilize joints, or help you rise from a chair. That's where most people stall, quietly. The good news is this decline is not permanent. There are 3 simple movements that reactivate the exact muscle patterns aging shuts down first. The muscles that support your body weight, steady your balance, protect your confidence. These movements are slow, controlled, and safe to do at home. When done consistently, many men notice changes within 2 weeks. Standing feels easier. Steps feel more deliberate. Mornings feel less stiff. Imagine waking up tomorrow and standing without hesitation. No pushing off the chair. No bracing yourself. Just rising smoothly. That feeling isn't strength alone. It's coordination returning. That's what these movements restore. Walking is still important. But after 65, it should no longer be the priority. Train control first. Then walk. Independence doesn't disappear because of age. It disappears when the right muscles stop receiving the right signals. And starting today, you can send those signals back.